my baby house. I always do this back. Okay. I use mousse to do my baby hairs so that they don't seem, they're not so permanent, and I can always like remold them how I want. So I'm gonna go in one side, and I'm gonna use my comb. I need to do it quick though. I do have an edge control brush, but I like to use my comb, honestly, y'all. Really helps me carve out how I want. This is what they are looking like. You can't really see much of them though because the thing's in the way. But what I'm gonna do is and I like to push them in sometimes too because I don't want my baby hairs to be like, because I can't stand when people be having baby hairs all up on their forehead. I mean, if that's your preference, that's you, but I can't stand it for myself. So now I'm gonna go back in with another wrap strip. Excuse me, guys. And tie it down. Well, I beat my face. So here is my final look from installing my lace. See? This is what my baby hair stuff looking like. So I think it turned out really well. I haven't done an install which has got to be good in a long time, and I forgot how simple it is. So I really like it though. And then my crimper is heating up right now. So I'm about to go and crimp my hair, and my makeup is done. About to cut my hair and then get dressed. But I hope everyone has a wonderful new year. Thank you for watching my channel again. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not a part of my family right now. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and like button. And thank you in advance for subscribing to my channel. Bye.